So my name is Jackson Van Uden and my programme is MA Politics. I chose Birmingham because mainly the staff, I really like their research focus and some of the research that's going on here, and the area that I want to specialise in, the world leader, is here at this university, so it was natural sense for me really to come to Birmingham as opposed to going anywhere else. My favourite things about my programme is firstly the case study focus, and I was really able to dive in the case studies and apply the case study to theory, which I really enjoyed. A second part is the support from my department. You know, I can go to any academic, inside or outside their office hours sometimes, and get the support that I need. The teaching style that they're taking, their pedagogical focus, is one of trying to make sure every student can understand what you're going on about. So I've been able to move from a background where I had no theoretical understanding of some of the things in politics to one where I'm able to understand it and apply it. But also the research-driven teaching style as well is really helpful, because you know that not only are these theories that people have come up with, you know that your lecturer is actually using these theories that they're teaching you in their own work and their own research. So the best things about living in Birmingham for me is that there's so many things for you to go and do, and everything's really easy to get to, and you don't even need to have a car to be here really. My main piece of advice is don't be afraid to talk to people on that first day, because those people are going to be able to support you through your course. They're going to be able to support you with assignments and dissertation time, and it will make the course a lot more fun for you. So after I graduate, I want to go on and become an academic, maybe a professor. So that's what I'm trying to work towards at the moment.